Then let us see what do you mean by inverse trigonometry functions. Inverse trigonometry functions are set of functions that relate the sides of a right angle triangle to the angle of the right angle triangle. It is just the opposite of trigonometric functions. Hence, the domain of the function will be set of real numbers and the range of the function will be angles in degree or radians. In short, you can tell y is equal to sine inverse x as an inverse trigonometry function. In short, if you have to say, I can tell inverse trigonometry function is the inverse of trigonometry functions. Now I have a function y is equal to sine inverse x and I have a domain having the values 0, 0.5, 0.707, 0.866 and finally 1. Now what I do is, I put all the values inside this function to get an output. When I put 0, I get the output also equal to 0, which I put it inside a range. Next, when I put 0.5, I get 30 degrees, put it inside the range. When I put 0.707, I get 45 degrees. When I put 0.866, I get 60 degrees. And finally, when I put 1 inside this, I get 90 degrees. So, the domain is nothing but set of real numbers and the range is nothing but angles in degrees or radians. If you have understood this, let's move on to the chart of inverse trigonometry functions. The chart shown over here is used to find the standard values of trigonometry functions as well as inverse trigonometry functions. This chart you would have seen in first PUC where you are studying about trigonometry functions. Now let me show you how can you find the values of inverse trigonometry functions as well. So when I give the input of half to sine inverse of x, you should make sure that for what angle does sine inverse give half. So come to sine theta and check where there is half. There is half over here. See at what angle is half present. It is present at 30 degrees. So the output of the function will be 30 degrees. Similarly, if you have to take for cos inverse of half, come to cos theta, see where there is half. You are having half over here and there, what is the angle over there? That is nothing but 60 degrees. So cos inverse of half is equal to 60 degrees. You can use the same table to find trigonometry function standard values as well as inverse trigonometry function standard values.